just doing my single leg stretch. Oh, wait, you want to learn it? Yeah, I'd be happy to teach you. Come on, let's do that. Hi, if you're new to this channel, my name is Gretchen, founder of Balance to the Core, and today we are going over the single leg stretch. This is the first exercise in the stomach series. There are 5 exercises in the stomach series, so in this first one, you sort of learn the foundation and then you build upon that with the 4 other exercises. And it is so challenging on the abdominals. When you get through that series 5, you're like, oh, thank goodness, anything is easy after that. But today we're going to break down just the single leg stretch, okay? So we're going to learn how to do it and you're going to learn some modifications. I'd really love you to grab a mat and do this with me. I'm just going to pretend that you're lying here right next to me and we're doing this together because it's really important to feel it in your body. So as I cue you, you can sort of play with it a little bit and feel what feels right in your body and what works best for you, all right? So let's get started. So when I do the single leg stretch, I'm doing it in neutral, and if you're not sure what neutral is, just go ahead, click that eye up there and you'll learn about neutral spine and neutral pelvis. All right, so the important thing is when I say anchor the belly, I don't mean jam your spine into the mat, okay? I mean pull your belly inward towards your spine. And when you do that, nothing in your bone shape changes. You're just using your muscles to pull into that spine while keeping that neutral, okay? It's important because we never want to jam the back into the mat because that's going to cause some ab problems. It's going to cause some back problems, okay? So here we go. We'll start with your arm placement. So let's take our right knee into your chest, all right? Now, as you take the right leg into your chest, I want you to take your right hand, so that's that outside hand, and place it across your ankle. So you're sort of holding the inner ankle and pulling out. Then you're going to take your left hand, which is the inside arm, pull it, so hold under your knee, not on your knee, under your knee and pull it towards you. So you'll notice when you pull sort of those 2 hands apart, your leg stays straight in alignment. If you were to change your arms, so practice that, change your arms, and you pull apart, what happens is your knee goes out to the side. So that's how you know about your arm placement. This is not right. That's right, so it keeps you in alignment. And if you mess it up along the way, who cares? You'll learn more as you practice more, okay? All right, so that's your arm placement. Okay, so now I want to talk about how you lift your chest. I want you to think about kind of pulling your chest forward rather than up, okay? So you're going to lift your chest forward. Now try that again, thinking lifting chest up. Did that go into your neck a little bit? So it's really just playing a mental game, okay? So as you pull your chest forward, you're going to do it with the abdominal muscles, and you're not going to tuck that pelvis. So look down, did you tuck that pelvis? Make sure you have it, okay? So I'm pulling my chest forward from my abs and from behind my chest, and then lower down. So it's a lot of work, right? Did you feel a lot of ab power just holding that? When you do it correctly, it's going to get into all those muscles. So try that again. Lift your chest forward using the abs and behind the chest. Behind the chest, lift and pull your chin towards your belly button, okay? Then take that leg in, grip on like you did before. And now what we'll do is we'll extend our bottom leg long. You never want to go below your hips, okay? You want to keep that foot above your hips. All right, so chest forward, anchor belly, arms. And now as you reach this leg, I want you to squeeze your seat. Squeeze it. See how that supported you? Let your seat go now. Right? Not as much support. Now squeeze your seat. Anchor your belly. Pull your chin towards your belly button. Ooh, how fun is that? Now what we do is we switch our legs. So you're going to switch, same positioning, right? Outside hand to ankle, inside hand to chest or to knee. Chest stays up. Switch. Switch. Good. Now let's inhale as we switch. Exhale. Hold it. Inhale as you switch. Anchor that belly. Keep lifting the chest. Stabilize. Inhale. Anchor the belly. Pull it in. Pull it in to switch those legs. Squeeze your seat and release it down. Good. So modifications, if you felt a lot of neck tension in that, you never want to work through neck tension, okay? Just put your head down. So if you do that, right, you're practicing keeping your box square, shoulders to hips, and then pulling the thigh in. You can extend your top leg up. And then we just switch this way. It's a little bit better on the back. And you can focus on anchoring the belly as you switch, and then stabilizing your body as you hold it. And you can also reach it more at a diagonal if you want to get a little bit more into your seat. But you're just practicing sort of just keeping that belly engagement as well as keeping shoulders relaxed and down. If you have any knee issues, you'll want to hold, or knee pain, you're going to hold underneath your knee. You're not going to put any pressure as you kind of flex it more. Just allow it to have some freedom here and holding sort of underneath your knee, okay? And then to make it more challenging, we can actually mess with the pace a little bit. And that's what I love about Pilates. There's always a place to go more challenging, and it doesn't necessarily mean changing what you're doing moving-wise. We're just changing our breath, okay? So as you come up, we go inhale, inhale, exhale, exhale. Inhale, inhale, exhale, exhale. Can you get your heart rate up a little bit? Maybe a little extra little engagement of the belly. Super cool like that. All right, so let me know how this goes. You'll want to do about 8 to 10 repetitions, and then it goes right into the double leg stretch. So you keep that chest pulling forward and go right into the double leg stretch. And if you want to learn more about that, hit that eye up there, and I have a little tutorial on the double leg stretch. But yeah, give it a go, see how it goes. Let me know in the comments how it feels, okay? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you never miss a tutorial or a workout. Take care.